Hey, welcome back to the Nail Chronicle for design number 4 of my Christmas nail art series 2018. Today I'm using polish called by My Dance. I don't know the exact name of the colour, but it's sort of a blue speckled and it's got a bit of a hollow colour into it. I chose this one mostly because it's sort of a bit beachy vibes. It's got that nice deep blue in it, but it also reminds me of the sort of nighttime, and I could imagine it would fit in really well with the European Christmas night markets. So I created this design as part of a nail art collaboration, and the theme was a Christmas around the world. So I decided to do a bit of an Aussie themed Christmas, and so I started using the Australian plate that I just picked up from Manology, and applied things like the koala sitting in the tree, which was quite big, and kangaroos, and I think there's even an Australian flag at one point, just a whole range of images. My whole goal was for it to be balanced with the Christmas stuff, so it would sort of be a 50-50 balance of the Australian side of things plus the Christmas side of things. And so I just took my time applying each stamped image and just sort of laying it out a little bit in my head. I don't normally draw out my sort of nail designs, but I did have a bit of a layout and a rough idea of what I wanted to achieve. And you might notice I'm sort of struggling to get the polish out of the bottle here. My white stamping polish is running out and I'm about due to go get another one. Okay, so I finished all my Australian stamping and moved on to the Christmas design. This is one of the new Manology Christmas plates. I absolutely love the teal colour underneath it. It's nice and fresh and vibrant, and it's really cool that they've gone and changed the design of their plates. And it feels quite hard wearing and really strong, so definitely a good move. And so I tried to sort of pick smaller images that would fit in with the Aussie design and not make it too sort of clashing, because this is quite I guess we call a kawaii plate, so really cute, and so trying to go from like the really sort of the roughness of Aussie style with the cuteness of this plate was interesting. So there was some images I just went, no, I'm not gonna pop them on because it just looked, it would have looked a bit weird. And yeah, so I just kept sort of plodding along and choosing ones that I thought would look awesome and it wouldn't clash too much with the design. So there you have it. So this is my Aussie Christmas design. I hope you liked it. If you found this video useful, you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button. I'd love to see some more subscribers, and I'll see you next time. Bye.